You make sure that you put them down gentle. You don't throw them, okay? You have to put it down real gentle. We don't want to break them. Okay? Yeah, that one broke.
That one.
Yeah?
That one isn't there.
What do you have? What is that called?
I too.
Yeah?
Oh, look. Throw it. Throw it. I too.
Let Daddy see. Let me see your pumpkins. Can Daddy see? Can you show them to Daddy? These are pretty. What you go? How many pumpkins do you have?
1, 2, 3.
3? I don't see 3.
I do that.
Yeah, and here comes Mommy.
Oh, there. Oh, there.
Say hi, Mommy. Oh, well, she got a little far ahead of me. Yeah, slow your roll. Slow down.
Oh, a carrot.
Uh-oh. Don't drop the pumpkin.
Got it. I got it.
What color is that pumpkin?
Hold it.
What color?
Green.
Green? It's got green on it too? That's right. Hey, don't drop the pumpkins.
Is that the one you want?
Do you want to take that one home with you?
No.
No?
Put it
Okay.
down.
Hey, gentle, Daddy said.